Hello guys, this is Obasuyi Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Obasuyi Mama page. You can also see me on Obasuyi Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
So if you don't ma waya ma waya to emi no ma hia sunu we gbuwa uwa yokpa wo imanu wa yeva wo imanu wa bo ari ya no dan no wi ya gegbe oho me o hegbe me o higyo wa me o havo se me o hema ya ni mogo me no ma uwa ya hia fian wu Uwa kia dewu, uwa defiamu. Uwa kia dewu, eve. O kia ga sobo wuwa. Miame. O kia ga sobo wuwa. Igbe imu oloroma. O seka sogo. Edeno muna. Pado basejo. Ema ya no winya gegbe ohe. Ovie winya. Iwinya. Wa gie vesi o wian ason wa gbaseyo avan wa gbaseyo ason na de no muna eke ya ni ariri age o biano o hono no hiname na gio wa me na e ma no sikeme ebo agbian they've locked it for 9. What's the time? They've locked it. I saw they could lock her today. Hola. So away. We'll go past the other side. So guys, no, might block the person. That person when you talk, I might block her. Yeah, she's blocked. Let's see her gear. Anyway, block her. Give this one. My roll on. Give me again. So guys, God bless you all. I appreciate you. I'm sorry you're not seeing me. I'm walking home because my place is not far from the location, so I'm very lucky today. But unfortunately, they've locked the entrance of the gate, so I need to go and pass it round. So guys, I really love and appreciate you all for your support, for your encouragement, for your love. For those of you that love me endlessly, I love you all right back. God will bless you all. God will support you in your time of need. But for those that are saying, hey, I want to survive or make calm, we don't already lay cause of them. So guys, share this video. May I reach out to all those useless set of people when you need to see this video. We never even ready to do live video. More first settle down first. If we don't settle down first, many people day when we use state drug grant for this live video. We'll let them know, say we do saga past them. We'll let them know, say they don't know saga at all. But then, all the evidence that they say they get, because all your they play the show. I just they want to cover up some people for some personal reasons, because I'm matured, because I am a different human being. Because at the end of the day, when I in MSL, my affect me in any way, it blows on me, it grow. So their talk, no, they affect us in any way. When you are big, we don't big. I not be anybody mate. 70 years easy. 70 years, it's not easy. I just keep quiet because when you hear when the saga say so 50 view, 100 view, and so he post a picture one day, one comment, 5 likes, 24 hours, 5 likes. I beg, I love it talk, make I live there. Here must say, may I focus my energy on my career. When no sabo wa bless him, no wa bless him, video. So because God they bless me, I go let go of some things. But it might have been oh. It might have been yeah. It might no way me. It might have buwa. But buwa. It might have buwa oh. But he gone for some obvious reasons. So, but might have buwa. But he gone. They not use me popular on allow. So when you post a picture. 5 days, 1 comment, 5 like. I be their mates. They know say I don't be their mates now. They don't know. They know. I mean, we live video, I have 100 views, 140 views. He wait me make him know with live video a day, I have 20,000 views. I be their mates. I not be their mates. So. Na mu akeke de na aledi amede sun ko be sun iyan ka wa exhausted gbiyan ne ege no ko aya sun iyan ade la na eso adi activate Facebook me mo re ba ma mi me meta no wo ma sun no re bebo gi me ko ma bu ni mi are bebo gi o ma na do asa ya mo ebogbu o ma na do kun ni mo ebogbu I'm not my bug bag, where's a bug bomb, so my kind body. So, guys, God love me, oh, no, God love me. Now, this period, I say no. Say, God really, really loves me. The way He has opened door for me, the way He has supported me, the way He has been blessing me, the way my career has been blossoming. It's overwhelming. God is just too faithful to fail. And I'm super excited. I'm super happy. I'm super honored. I'm grateful. Because if not for God, there would have been no me. So I'm super excited. So guys, I really love you all so much for your support, for your encouragement, for always being with me, for always fighting for me, for always reaching out to me. I'm grateful. Mona, no worry. As God they do it for me, I'll tell una. Una deserve to know. Because when everything no still dey well, una still dey there for me. So as everything still dey go well, una deserve to know. I bet no say my live video they make her they cry. Not you know they do live video for Mona get out. Here you carry. Una no need to watch me on live. Don't watch me. My live video is for my fans. My fans and followers that loves me so much. They are the one I'm doing live video for. Not you guys. If you know you don't like my live video, please don't watch it again. Mona know they watch me for life again. Una never even see Obasuyi now they talk. Where am I Obasuyi? Oh, we are left. Where am I Obasuyi? Mama, I saw Obasuyi. We never enter Obasuyi level. If we enter, you're wrong. But my fair block you first. But there are some of you where they occupy space. You know, if they occupy my space, when they talk rubbish. Yes. So, guys, share this video. If you're hearing my voice right now, share this video. Share this video. Let it go viral. I love you guys. I want to see 300 shares on this live video. If you know you love me, if you know you care for me, you need to share this video. Make them know say I come on live. May haters they die. May one die, may die. May they say I say, now some for the shoot now. Everywhere pepper stew. Oh God, on God. Who God has blessed, no man can curse. I'm super excited and I'm happy. And that's the only thing that matters to me. My happiness. Thank God for giving me joy. Thank God for giving me happiness. I love you guys. One love. Please share. Good night, guys. I gotta go. Bye. Oh yeah, share. People should share it. People should share it. Good night. Share. Share the live video. Let it go viral. Share, and have a good night. I love you all. Bye.